What's going on, y'all? What's going on? We got a few setups we're looking at right now. One position with the members currently, looking at a few other setups. We do got some news popping off in about a couple hours, though. At 5:30, we do news popping off, and at the beginning of New York, we got 30 news popping off. So do keep those times in mind, as well as 10 a.m. Let me fix this. See, let me turn this down to that probably help. Test, test, test. What's going on, Tanner? What's going on, Tanner? How you doing? Yeah, if it's sounding choppy, try to restart it. But like I was saying yesterday, it's been raining for like, well, it's not raining today, but it rained for like 2 days straight, and the Wi-Fi and the signal has been trashed since like the signal wasn't working at all last night, which is why we didn't go live last night. But we still was able to catch some pips. We caught a nice 40 pip move yesterday with GJ. This nice move right here, nice. And price came right back down to our support level right here. Terrible. Like I said, it's not my mic. It's just simple. Like I was lagging starting the stream. We're gonna keep it pushing. I only got one bar. It's crazy. Let me try to fix something really cool. See, that sounds better with the music down. Cool. Yeah, I'm restarting on my end too, so I can see how it's sounding. Yep. Cool. Yep. We back in business. All right. You guys got any questions? You already know, drop in the chat. I'm looking at your charts, drop in the chat. Again, we're in GJ right now. Got a nice 40 foot move yesterday on it. And a few other charts when that's projected as well. Again, we didn't go live yesterday, but if y'all was live with us on Tuesday, or if you watched the Sunday chart analysis, a lot of stuff starting to go as projected from the Sunday chart analysis. Even though it is Thursday, still check it out, because again, it's not just what we're looking for price to do Sunday night going into Monday, but it's my projections for what I see price doing throughout the entire week. So make sure to check those out and see what price is looking at the beginning of the week and compared to how, where price is at right now. Wine did start to kick in yesterday. Again, Monday was an all right kind of day. Tuesday was super dead, in my opinion, at least for the most of the charts I was looking at. And yesterday, it was kind of choppy, but we still saw some nice smooth moves going to the next move as well. So as of right now, we're still chilling in this GJ position. We're going to be looking for possible gold sells as well as GA sells. Now, we do got news at 5:30 for the GBP pairs, so do keep that in mind. And GA can continue to hold 89.60 as resistance. We can 89.15 and possibly down to 88.30. So that's what we're looking for right here. EN ended up reversing. So I'm just going to watch and see how it reacts in this level. Probably not going to take any New Zealand positions today. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's New Zealand holiday today as well. Yeah, it's New Zealand bank holiday today as well. But we did see price reverse, so I'm just going to see if it can break this next level. Just going to let it do its thing right now. Some other stuff I like a little bit better than Make sure to like the live as y'all hop up here, hop up in here as well, y'all. Just dropped the video yesterday for y'all. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check it out. I'll drop it in the chat right now. If you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. When we're looking at your charts, drop in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. As far as how we're doing so far this week, we're 2-1 so far this week. Took an L on Monday, took a W yesterday, as well as on Tuesday. This was the GBPJPY we caught on yesterday. As far as how we ended last week we went 4-1, giving us an 80% win rate. The week before that, we went 5-0, so we've been killing it so far this week. I mean, not this week, this month. But as far as how we ended last month, we went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate. We got 69,396 pips. You can see this by scrolling to June 3rd. We'll go over a little bit more of that in a little bit. But yeah, right now we're just watching the charts. Again, we're just chilling in this GJ position. We're watching to see if gold can break this level. If gold can hold 2,300 as resistance, we can look for continued sales going down to 2280. So that's what we're going to be looking for today. Again, after price did that nice drop during the beginning of New York session, chilled literally the rest of the New York session as well as last night. But we do got New York news popping off today, so we're going to see if that's going to help put some action and volume into the markets. We got news at 8:30. Unemployment claims a final GDP, and we also got another news event at 10 a.m. We're going live with the members during the 8:30 news, so members be on the look out for that link I'm gonna send y'all. And then we're also going to go live tomorrow at 8:30 with the members as well. So yeah, we're gonna watch and see how these react to these levels right here. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Got about 3.5 minutes to the next 15 pops up. All right, this 15 just popped up. Let's do a little bit right here. These two still chill. I might work slow. It's not going to miss anything. GJ still pushing out. We're just doing a stream. We're only in GJ right now. We're looking at a couple other sets. We're just waiting for our confirmations. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join our Facebook or Telegram. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When you're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. We're just chilling patiently. These weeks are flying. I feel like I say this every week, but it's crazy to me how it's already Thursday. I don't know about y'all. That's a strong candlestick right there. So if GJ can hold 203 and 10, 310 as support, we can look for continued buys going to 203.60. That's what we're looking for right now. Shout out to all the new subscribers. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. We're almost at where we at right now. We're almost at 2,500 subscribers. We can get to that easily. All right, y'all. Just dropped a new video yesterday for you. I got another video dropping for y'all today. Be on the lookout for that. I also got another video for y'all. Yeah, tomorrow. Now, tomorrow's video, I gotta look at my list. I also got the Bitcoin update video for y'all as well. If you didn't see last week's Bitcoin update video, make sure to check that out as well. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. Looking for a few other setups, but again, we're just waiting for our confirmations. Just waiting for our confirmations. Are all the VIP signals taken in London? It's the middle of the hold on, I'm trying to going down. It's the middle of the night for me, but the VIP looks good. No, they're not all taken during London. We trade Tokyo exclusively with the members. We go live London session, and then depending on what the markets do, we take some of the trades live, or we take some of the trades that we was looking for breaking down during the live streams after the live stream. And then we also take trades during New York session. And then at the beginning of New York, I always drop a New York price watch list, which is like the Sunday chart analysis, but it's an update on the trades we took that day, as well as daily setups I'm looking for going into New York. So we trade all sessions. We trade all sessions. Like for example, this trade, let me pull it up. Okay, these are old signals. Nobody take this stuff, right? So I'm not going to show the GJ one because it's still active. I'll show you the time we took this, right? So we took the GJ signal at 6:13 a.m., right? So pre-New York. Again, when New York session started, dropped the New York price watch list. Every day for the members. Let me just scroll past this signal again. And these are old signals, y'all, that we taking these setups. This was Tuesday's trade, right? This is the EJ trade we took on Tuesday. TV2 got hit. We took this during London session. New York price watch list beginning of New York. I give updates throughout the day, what's going on. I send screenshots. Again, this is the trades, ideas, and setups I was talking about during the New York price watch list. And he's going to become active or start doing the moves till later on during New York, as well as during Tokyo session, which why during Tokyo session I was dropping this stuff. But we take trades all sessions, right? This one was London session. This one was New York session. This one was New York session. This one was London session. This one was London session. You know what I'm saying? This one was London session. We trade all sessions. Right? And then the signals sometimes. But this was New York session, right? So yeah, and then again you see New York price watch list dropped in every day at the beginning of New York, and then we go live twice a week during New York news events. This was one of the days we went live during the New York news. We're going live with the members today and tomorrow during the New York news. So yeah, we trade all 3 sessions. Yeah. Like it's called the playbook for a reason. Like, I literally make it so easy not just to catch setups, but to look for trades as well. Because again, I dropped the New York price watch list. All you got to do is watch that video, and the New York price watch is literally 2 to 5 minutes long, 5 minutes the longest on average. But I was like, quick video, straight to the point. I'm like, okay, this is what the trade's looking like that we're in right now. I'm looking for buys on this pair. I'm looking for buys at this price to this price. I'm looking for sells at this price to this price on this pair. Once these prices are hit, we can look for setups here to here, right? And I also let y'all know like when those setups get hit, and I give y'all updates throughout the day. So it's like very, very, very easy. And then plus it's on Telegram, so it's like getting a text from me on your phone. So it's like very, very easy to catch moves, as well as the signals are easy. And then during the New York Lives, I answer questions. I break down the trades in more depth and detail. I break down the charts, good stuff. And then again, when you join, you have access to all the previous New York price watches on previous lives, previous photos, to get access to student member group chat, all types of stuff. No problem. And yeah, if you watch any of my videos, especially like my recent videos, like the last 2 to 3 minutes, I go over all the details, not just the advanced room, but also the details as to the course, as well as the one-on-one session. But if you guys got questions, then just ask the lives. I just don't like to talk about them too much during the live stream, because then people want to come out the woodwork and be like, "Oh, all you do is promote your stuff, blah blah blah." So that's why I just let my results speak for themselves before itself. But make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal, free Telegram. All right, we're killing it so far this week. We've been killing it all month. This is the last week of the month, last week of the quarter. So after this weekend, we're doing the recap of this month as well as doing the recap of the quarter. As far as how we did last month, if you scroll to June 3rd, you'll see how we ended last month. Last month, we went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate. We caught 69,396 pips. Again, you can see a couple student results testimonials right here. There's one of my students. You can't really see it's blocked up, but it says just joined Advanced Play Sim Room. My first trade's already going as projected. Thank you, man. Another one, my boy Shawn, passed another prop from challenge account. I'm not gonna put his business out there, but he's been passing multiple. And again, if you haven't watched my video, I'm gonna drop a new video probably this week or next week. Just a new updated video on how to pass your prop from challenge and get funded in 2 weeks. If you want to check my old video of that, breaking that down, you can either go to the day trading tips playlist or just explore the YouTube channel. Right, no result testimonial, all that good stuff. But if you go to June 3rd, you click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of the month where you can see how we ended the month before that. 15-4, 79% win rate. All wins and losses are posted. I'm going to link out to the live when we go live every day. Again, every week we do the Sunday chart analysis. And you click right here, you go to photos, over 1,000 photos with receipts from student results, as well as students make 1,000 a day, or screenshots of the signals. You know what I'm saying? Screenshots of the trades of me in the actual positions, all that good stuff. So make sure to check all that stuff out. really big ass move right there. We really do this on a weekly, monthly basis. Really cool on this stuff. So yeah, so make sure to check all this stuff out. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This one was crazy over here as well. Crazy. But yeah, so make sure to check all that stuff out. As far as how we did the first quarter, how we did quarter one, if you go to April 4th, it'll bring you to how we did quarter one to start off the year. January, we went 20 and 0, catching 37,620 pips. February went 17 and 1, caught 24,403 pips. And then March, we went 16 and 3, catching 49,703 pips. Ending the quarter one, 53 and 4, giving us a 93% win rate. And again, you go to April 4th, you can see this. Click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of the year. You can also see how we ended last year. Last year was 76. Well, last quarter, quarter four, the last quarter of the year, we went 76 and 7, gives a 96% win rate, catching 240,157 pips. And you can literally just keep on clicking these, and it's just going to keep on just seeing you up and up and up. Again, you can see we do this on a monthly, weekly, quarterly basis. And you just keep scrolling up and clicking these chains, you'll see, it's just what we do. So, but yeah, make sure to check all that stuff out. First link in the description. Right now, me and the members are currently in a GJ position, looking for a few other positions, but we're just waiting for our confirmations. Again, prices are just kind of hugging these levels right now. In about 2 hours, we do have GBP news popping off at 5:30. And then at the beginning of New York at 8:30, we have USD news popping off. Going to be going live with the members during that. And then at 10 a.m., we got another USD news event. And there's a New Zealand holiday all day today as well. So keep that in mind. And now we're just chilling in GJ. So we're watching to see if it could hit all of our TPs, but also if it can break this next level. If it can break and hold tool 310 as support, we can look for continued buys going to tool 360, tool 350. That's what we're looking for right now. More volume kicking in slowly, but you can still see it's kind of choppy and struggling to break through this level. But again, we are nice in profit right now. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we're looking at your charts, drop in the chat. We'll be just chilling, patiently waiting. Make sure to like the live as well, y'all. New 5 minute about to pop up in a second. Hold on a second, about a minute and some change. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. You see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker underscore way, TikTok underscore playmaker way underscore. Post daily on both pages. Yeah, you can see gold. Gold has got zero volume going down. It's probably gonna be chilling here till probably 6 a.m. if not until the news pops off. What's going on, JD? I see you up in here. I see you up in here. Well, just joined the stream. We're only in GJ right now, looking at a couple other setups, but just waiting for our confirmations. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When you're looking at your charts, drop in the chat. I got a new video drop for y'all later on today. Be on the lookout for that. Dropped the video for y'all yesterday as well. Playlists are up to date. But yeah, we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. The just popped out. Price kind of been stuck in place for the past 10 minutes or so. About the next 5 minute pops up. A lot of charts have been going as projected so far from the Sunday chart analysis. If you haven't checked that out yet, make sure to check that out. First introduction or first signal for Telegram. We do got a couple news ones popping off. We do have at 5:30 GBP news. So we're going to see the volumes going to kick in around that time. And also at 8:30 we got USD news, as well as 10 o'clock. And then we have a New Zealand bank holiday today. Use finally going to try to do something. Let's see if it can close here though. Meanwhile, gold still taking a nap. And this is another reason why I like to do these lives. Those that's been watching since the beginning, y'all saw from the beginning of live how price literally retested this level and how it went from respecting it as resistance, right? Because again, my trade breakdowns or these videos you see on either my media or other social media accounts, it's sped up recaps of like the trade, right? So again, the reason I like to do the live is so y'all can literally see like on how it realistically looks from looking for setups, entering trades, taking trades, as well as how long the setup might take to do this move. You know what I'm saying? Because it's very rare you enter a trade and then immediately, it starts smacking all TPs. Now, has it happened before? Yes. But most of the time, you know what I'm saying, it's going to take a little bit for your confirmations to be made. And then from you entering a trade to, the TP is getting hit or SL getting hit, it's not going to be all like happening, taking place within 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to everybody in the live, y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. You see how we did last month, last quarter, scrolling behind the bottom of the screen. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram or respond to all messages. Like I said, we're going to be going live in a few hours at 8:30 during the USD news. You're interested in becoming a member, hit those links in the description. Dropped the video yesterday, with the news as projected. If you didn't check that out, make sure to check that out. I got the video dropping for y'all later on today. All the playlists are up to date as well. Make sure to check out the playlist. And yeah, we're gonna be back at the same time tomorrow. We'll end this session with EST. Before we hop out, like I was saying, if GU can continue to hold 2640 as resistance, with the sales going down to 2600. And then if gold can break this resistance level at 2,300, we can see sales going down to 2,280. That's what we'll be looking for on those setups. It could also retrace, but as long as it respects 318 as resistance, we are still bearish in my opinion. And then GA, we're going to be looking for sales if it can hold 89.60 as resistance. We can look for sales going down to 89.15. And then possibly it breaks that level, we can see downtrend continuing. All right, y'all. We out.